Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now, I film live here. I do not edit. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too, so that we could be in the know together. So Truewants is a true community where we share information with each other and we learn a little bit more about the brands, the products, the deals, and of course, those spoilers on the subscription boxes that I'm enjoying, and hopefully you are too. So if all of that sounds great to you, today's video is going to be about choice for the original Glam Bag, because that changes every month, where we know with the extra, which is the full-size box, that is always going to be on the 1st through the 3rd. But with the original Glam Bag, it changes every month. So now we have the confirmed date. They're sharing with us a few of the choice items. Hopefully there'll be more than what they're showing, but I do have a little bit more information on all of those, so we're going to go through that in today's video. Last night I was working on with a few of my Tinkerbells. It has been amazing where we have been able to find some really cool information, but I think I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently this time in reference to the spoilers. I'm probably going to put it under the next group of spoilers, which is the one here at Truewants will be the 5th. And on that video, we're going to be in it together, where I got a lot of still shots that I was able to pull from videos. Some of them I think we figured out, but there's a lot on the film that I wanted to freeze frame and then go through it all with you together. So I'm going to try to put something like that together over today or tomorrow. But this popped up, and this is always something, because as a paying customer, I always want to make sure that we all know about this, because this gives us a little bit of a head start to do a little bit more research on the few items that they are sharing with us that will be our choice. Now, we all know that choice has been a little bit different for all of the members. There was some select group that get a choice of a completed bag, and me personally, I'm not part of that group. The group that I am in is, I think, the majority, where we still get to choose one item. So we're going to go through that together. All right, so give me one sec. I'm going to pause the video right here. But if all of this sounds great to you, I really hope you'll be part of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing. It's free, it's easy, but you need to press that subscribe button right underneath this video to help this channel to grow, and to also now have access to our community tab, where I share with you when we have a new upload, as well as when I don't need to upload but I want to share information to you. I'll put it in the community tab. But the only way you have access to that is if you are subscribed to this channel, which is free and easy. You just have to hit that subscribe button and you're in. It really is that simple. Thank you to everybody for the thumbs up as soon as you're arriving. That has been helping this channel get out a little bit quicker to others. And of course, that new hype feature, that if you have access to it and you want to use it for Truewants to even push this video out even to a larger audience, then please make sure to use it, but share with us in the comments that you did. All right, so I'm going to be pausing the video here, but remember, this channel is about sharing information. So if you've tried any of the products that we're going to be going through in today's video, please take the time to share in the comments down below. All right, so give me one sec and I'll be right back. Now, if you've been keeping up with my videos, a lot of the videos where we did the official spoilers, it could have been anywhere from spoilers 1 through 5. I'm doing my best to try to keep them, that you guys know that as soon as there's something that I want to share with you, I definitely make another spoiler video, and we've been numbering them, and it seems to be the best way for all of us to be in the know. So if you've missed those previous spoilers, I will do my best to link it in the comments down below, so you'll be able to catch up with all of those as well, and you'll be up to date. Because as we know, IPSY keeps it very close to their chest with what they are doing, but we now have those confirmed dates of when all of this is going to be happening. So the most important thing, let me share with you right away. Let me just get it up on my other information here of when things are going to be. So it is going to be for choice. It's going to open up on the 28th. Now, I live on the Eastern Standard Time, and for me it opens up usually around 9 a.m. Now with me, what I do is I film first all of the information on choice, and then if there's any special sales going on, which they usually try to tie into choice days, I will definitely film that, and then I do my choice after. So if anything, it'll be a good reminder on that day, but we do now have it confirmed that it is going to be on the 28th. So keep that in mind and mark that on your calendar. Now, the few items that they are giving to us in reference to choice is going to be starting with here. What I have on the screen is from Dr. Jart. This is their ceramide, which is their own trademark. It's a skin barrier moisturizing face mask. And from my recollection, Dr. Jart is one of those Korean brands. It's a really fantastic brand, and their masks are exceptional. But what is written about this here from IPSY is when your skin feels dry, tight, or just a little off, this mask feels like pressing pause and resetting everything. Now, Dr. Jart Ceramide TM Skin Barrier Mask wraps your complexion in a rich, comforting moisture, helping restore softness and bounce in just minutes. It's kind of an instant care product that makes your skin look well rested, plump, and calm. And they're saying proof that sometimes the simplest steps delivers the most magical results. The next item that they are sharing that is going to be confirmed for choice. Now remember, there's just a few, so I'm hoping that there will be more on choice day, but based on the selection, I think some of these are the ones that I will choose. Now I have 2 paid for accounts, and this is definitely going to go in one of them for me if it is available to me when I make my choice. This is Mischo Beauty. It is their eyeshadow palette, and they're calling it 01. Now I have been somebody that through IPSY has learned a lot and had the opportunity to try other products from Mischo, but I think this is their first time that they are doing an eyeshadow, and that's pretty much in the hint that they're calling this 01. Now, as I shared with you when we did earlier spoilers, this was one that was in there, and this is, if I was going to make my own palette, this is definitely one that I would start off with, because as I've mentioned in the past, this is that all over or inner corner brightener. You have your transition shade, or if you want to use that as an all over color wash, it is gorgeous. And then of course that dark brown that you can use in the corner of your eyes, the outer corner, to give dimension, or simply a liner, which is amazing. And then you have those 2 fantastic choices for 2 different types of looks if you want to do like I do and put a little satin shimmer in that center of your eyelids. So right above that pupil area, I find gives my small eyes that little bit of pop that it needs. So this is fantastic in my eyes, and it is definitely one that I think is going to be one of my choices, but it always could change on choice day. But this is the sleek mini palette. It's all about letting your beauty duo do the talking. Now, Mischo Beauty Eyeshadow Palette 01 features 5 natural shades that you will actually use, with smooth textures and high impact pigment that blend beautifully. It's perfect for tossing in your bag or keeping your routine streamlined. It's a grab and go essential that still lets you play with depth, dimension, and a touch of mystery. So that is our second spoiler. The third spoiler that we have, and so many of you got this right when we saw an early sneak peek of this little tube, and a few of you mentioned that you thought it was going to be Tatcha, and you were right. Now this is going to be a choice, and that's why I'm saying right now, if I had 4 bags, each one of these would go into all of these, because so many of these are amazing. This is Tatcha, and this is their Dewy Milk. Now remember, with Tatcha, that is a premium luxury brand, so when you get these type of items, this is going to be a deluxe sample size, because that's what the Glam Bag is all about. It is usually, and it always has been, about the deluxe sample sizes. But I find with IPSY, as opposed to a lot of other companies that give out samples, this is truly, to me, the type of sample size that you will be able to know if you enjoy the product enough that when it becomes available to you in a full size, be it in the retail world, in the shop, or in the extra, you will now have the opportunity through the Glam Bags to try them. But as you can see, sometimes we do get full sizes, and we've been getting them more often than not, and definitely within choice. But the more information about this is as light as air, soft as dream. Tatcha Dewy Milk is a milky, breathable moisturizer that delivers hydration without that heaviness. So it's ideal for spring days when you want comfort without the shine. There's an unlike richer creams. This formula melts seamlessly into the skin, leaving it balanced, smooth, and softly, but also has some luminosity to it. Now, if you're like me and you're a combo girly, this is phenomenal. This product is amazing. Another product that they shared was one from Soli de Janeiro, but they didn't put it in choice, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that that will show up as well. But we do have one more that they've selected in reference to the spoilers for choice. And this we've already spoiled earlier too. And I watch other platforms at where IPSY has some information that comes through. From what I've seen is this is going to be in multiple colors, so don't worry, I don't think it will just be this shade. This is the Realher lipstick in a mini, and these were made specifically, I think, for IPSY. Now this is, they're saying, a tiny dose of magic for your makeup bag. This is a pocket size matte that delivers rich color in just one swipe, and the custom mini component, here we go, that is made just for IPSY members, adds a playful, collectible feel, like discovering a charming little treasure wherever you reach for it. So like I said, because this is, I think, going to be available in multiple colors, my gut is telling me as a paying customer, this will probably also show up in our 350 section in the add-ons. So where I sit down to try to do choice, I do my best to try to figure out what is the item that I 100% want and which ones am I keeping my fingers crossed is that it's going to be in add-ons. Now, add-ons opens up for us on the 1st of the month. So on the 1st of the month, you will get the reveal of everything that's in your bag if you're like me and you get to choose just one. Then on that same day, you will also be able to get into add-ons that you can then add to your bag at no extra shipping cost. It will just be added into your bag. So those are all of the current spoilers that they're giving us for Choice Day, which is going to be on the 28th. Now, if you're newer to IPSY and you want to sign up for IPSY, I have a link down below that was given to me officially by IPSY, which means you should get extra perks when you use that link. But also IPSY for new members, with Rakuten, you will get dollars back as well. So if you are not a member of Rakuten yet, definitely use my Rakuten link because that has a bonus of $30 extra that will be added to your first check. And all that information is always in my description box. So you definitely want to sign up for that first and then be able to use the other links to be able to get all of the deals that you want to get. But the best way to get extra is through Rakuten, but is only for new members that are signing up. So if you're getting ready to re-sign up and you want to gain those little extra perks, then you have to use a different email address that what you have used in the past. That has been asked of me, so that is the best solution that I can come up with. But remember, we're a community here at Truewants, so if you know of a better way, then make sure to share it in the comments down below, because the more dollars we can save on signing up or getting extra little bonuses of an extra item or any of that, all of that is those little extra perks that I always want to make sure to be able to share with you through this channel, so that when you have those little extra dollars, you could either use them in the shop or in the add-ons, or just keep them for yourself. It doesn't matter, but the best way is to know that if you're able to save some dollars or make some extra dollars, like through Rakuten, you'll get an extra, I think it's $7 off your new subscription, as well as if you're new, that $30 if you use my link. And then of course, my other link that is for IPSY, you'll be able to get some extra bonuses there too. So just keep it all in mind. It's always there for you if you choose to use it. I always do my best to share with you what I feel is beneficial. That's what this channel is all about. It's about sharing information that could be beneficial to each other. Now remember, if you've had the opportunity to try a Realher lipstick, or you've had the opportunity to use the Dewy Milk from Tatcha, or if you know about these Mischo eyeshadows that I think are a brand new launch, or you're like me and you enjoy the Dr. Jart masks, make sure to share that in the comments down below, because that helps everybody make more informed decisions, and it helps a little bit when it is coming from the people that they know have similar interests to them, which is what we have created here at Truewants with our community, which we call our water cooler. And that is it for this video, guys. So as always, I'm doing my best to keep up with the information that I get at hand. But of course, if you have any other information and you want to share it with me, the best way to do it is via my Instagram. My name there is Truewants with the number 2. Send me over a DM with some of your spoilers or sneak peeks. I will try my best to incorporate them in my next videos when we get the opportunity to share that information. Or if you don't have Instagram and you still want to reach out, you can always do it via email to info@truewants.com. And that's it for this one, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well. this is our safe place with all that craziness going on in the outside world, where we can have a little bit of joy and hope here on the channel, where we get the time to just escape and share with each other what we're enjoying and what we're looking forward to as well. And of course, if you've watched this all the way in full, just leave the number 28 somewhere in your comments, because that is now the confirmed date for choice for the original Glam Bag. And remember, for extra, that will always be on the 1st through the 3rd, but add-ons open up for all of us, be it if you are original Glam Bag or extra, on the 1st. All right, and that's it for this one, guys. So continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye for now.